Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on your Community America Credit Union account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Community America Credit Union website and enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for an option labeled Security Settings or Account Security. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ASRock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select how you want to receive your authentication codes. Options may include text messages, email, or an authentication app. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to you. Once verified, make sure to save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Community America Credit Union account. Regularly review your security settings to ensure your information remains protected.